fix Apex Legends connection issue on Windows. 1. Check the server status. 2. Change DNS to Google. 3. Run as administrator. Like this. 4. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Clear game cache. 5.1. For Origin, delete all the files and folders at %program data %/origin, except for local content. Delete the Origin folder at %appdata %/roaming and %appdata %/local. 5.2. For EA Desktop, delete all the files and folders at %program data %/electronic art /EA Desktop. Delete the EA Desktop and EA Launcher. Folder at %appdata %/local.